So what is up guys, welcome to AGD Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, yesterday only I made a video regarding the iPhone SE2 and you guys loved it. But guys, after uploading the video after a couple of hours, there were few changes and those changes are mind-blowing and that will make you excited about the upcoming iPhones. So today's video is going to be very exciting. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, in my yesterday's video, I have covered that Apple is expected to launch 4 iPhones in 2021. But guys, according to the recent reports, it is expected that Apple is going to be launching 5 new iPhones in 2021. And which are these iPhones? Well, the first is going to be the iPhone, with 5.4 inch OLED panel. The second is going to be with 6.1 inch OLED panel. The third is going to be an iPhone with 6.1 inch LCD panel. And the fourth is going to be the iPhone with 6.7 inch OLED panel. Well, the 6.7 inch is going to be the Pro iPhone, the max variant of the iPhones, and definitely it's worth considering one more factor, that the fifth iPhone is going to be the iPhone SE2 Plus. Okay, SE2 Plus. Okay, next year in 2020, in the March itself, we are going to be seeing the iPhone SE2, and in 2021, we are going to be seeing the iPhone SE2 Plus. And there is one more big change, and that is regarding the naming scheme. Well, this smartphone is not going to be called as the iPhone SE2. This iPhone is going to be called as the iPhone 9. Okay, after iPhone 8, Apple went for the iPhone 10 and so on. Apple forgot 9, and this is the iPhone which is going to be replacing the naming scheme iPhone SE2. So guys, the iPhone SE2 is going to be called as the iPhone 9, whereas the iPhone SE2 Plus is going to be called as the iPhone 9 Plus. And the iPhone SE2 is coming in the first quarter of 2020 in March, and the iPhone SE2 Plus means the iPhone 9 Plus is going to be launched in the first quarter of 2021. So this is very incredible. Like, the SE2 naming scheme is entirely changed, and it is expected that it is going to be called as the iPhone 9 series. And again, it makes a lot of sense because Apple also has to opt for such a type of a naming scheme that will be very simple to people's mind. Okay, the iPhone SE2. Okay, everybody knows like the iPhone SE2 is the special edition. SE means special edition, and the iPhone SE2, I think it's a much more bigger name, and Apple can easily opt for the iPhone 9 because there is no iPhone 9 in existence. And again, it also makes a lot of sense because it is going to be a refresh of the iPhone 8. Okay, iPhone 8's refresh is going to be called as the iPhone 9, and its pricing is going to be starting at $399. And again, I have made a complete video yesterday regarding the iPhone SE2. So if you have not yet checked that out, make sure that you check it out. So guys, I also want to include one more factor in today's video, and that is regarding the iPhone's connector. Okay, the current iPhone only has one port, and that is the Lightning connector or the Lightning port. And it was expected that Lightning port is going to be replaced with the USB Type-C in 2020. And according to the recent patents, it is confirmed that there is not going to be any USB Type-C even. Okay, the entire iPhone is going to be portless, no headphone jack, no Lightning connector, no USB Type-C, an entire iPhone with 0 ports. And you know what Apple is going to be replacing it with? Well, just wireless charging. Okay, like Apple's Air Power Mat is the biggest failure because of thermal issues, and just Apple is dreaming to implement no charging port and just giving the freedom to a user that use the wireless charger only. And again, if Apple has to do that, why will it offer the wired earbuds in the box itself? Okay, Apple's earbuds need a Lightning connector to be connected, and if there is not going to be any connector only, then how can we listen to music? So it's pretty obvious that Apple will include AirPods and a wireless charger in the box itself. And again, if you are following my videos, I have made a video in which I have discussed that Apple might implement the AirPods in the iPhone's box. So all of this news are going simultaneously, and it makes definite sense that Apple is going to be introducing an iPhone with no ports and a complete wireless smartphone. So guys, in today's video, I just wanted to include this factor that the iPhone SE2 is going to be called as the iPhone 9, whereas in 2021, Apple is going to be introducing an iPhone 9 Plus. or the iPhone SE2 Plus, which is going to be a bezel-less display, a complete bezel-less display with no notch even. There might be a hole punch or any other mechanism, and just basically I just want to include that it is going to be a crazy smartphone, like a bezel-less iPhone SE in the budget. That definitely makes a lot of sense. So if you have liked today's video, and again if you have not yet watched my yesterday's video, go ahead and check it out, because in that video I have discussed everything you need to know about the new iPhone's launch pattern and the iPhone SE2. So guys, hope you have liked today's video. If you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,